Hi, let me introduce another of our compact cutting tool cabinet for you. If your factory doesn't have a large number of cutting tools, our smaller option, CuteBee, might be the perfect fit for your needs. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. Follow me. Now I'm the operator. I need to borrow tools in the CuteBee, so we need to log in the system and click Borrow. It has two ways to log in, Face ID or account password. Here I select Face ID. Just come here to show my face. Here it comes to this page and select the machine if you need it. And if you creating a work order in advance, click here. And it will show the tools you need in this current order. Now for instance, I want to show you this one. Click here and borrow. So the tools will fall down. Get our tools out. And here, it will have a printer. So we need to stick it on the tool. Like this. Who borrow? When she borrow? Now, tool borrowing is finished. So when I finish using this tool, I need to return the tool inside the CuteBee. Go back to here. Click Return. Log in. Okay, so here we enter this page that it will show you the tool that need to be returned by you. Click Return Tool. And here, it will show you the different status of this tool. We need to select it according to this tool. If this tool can be used after regrading, we click Regrade. If this tool can't be used, we choose Scrap it. And here are different reasons for scrap it. Of course, you can customize the reason. Or this tool can be used in another product line. Click Change Product. If wrong borrowing, just click wrong borrowing. Now, for instance, we click this one, Regrade. Then Confirm. So, it will generate a new printer. So we need to stick it over the old one. Like this. So it will have the detailed information. And here, there are two different boxes, scrapping box and recycle box. If this tool can't be used anymore, just put it inside the scrapping box. And we should put the useful ones in the recycle box. Okay, now tool returning is finished. Now I am the administrator, so I am responsible for collecting and replenish tools. Just come here, click Tool Retrieval or Replenishment, log in. Collect the tool. Okay, now open the door. So here are two buttons. This button is for the scrapping box, and this button is for the recycle box. Now press it. So the door will open. Get the tools that I just returned. Okay, come here again. So this page will show you the detailed information in the borrow and returns. If I find that this tool is okay, everything is okay, it's matched in the system, so we can click Success. Or I can't find this tool inside the box, so I think the quantity is mismatched, and now I need to type in this operator is lost this tool. Or this different type, just choose different type mismatch. Or this tool can be used still after regrading, but the operators put it inside the scrappy box, so I think this operator is wasting this tool, so I can click Wastage. Now everything is okay, click Success. Now Confirm. Okay, and also this page has another function, replenishment. So we will enter this page that shows you the oil spiral here. Now I need to replenish it. this one, for example, A002. And we come here. So after I fill out all tools here, then go back to here to click replenish full and confirm replenishment. Now, tool collecting and replenishment is finished. You must be curious about the capacity of CuteBee. Let me show you. So, there are 48 spirals in total. Each spiral can contain 9 to 11 pieces. So this CuteBee can contain around 500 pieces in total. It is a good choice for small and medium-sized factory. Outside this page, there are some rankings to tell you the current tool usage in this cabinet. Log into our system. We support different languages here. In homepage, you can check annual usage of tools, or you can even compare with last year's data. How much will cost in a specific time range? Who didn't return the tools well? We generating different rankings of employee usage for your analysis. There are many functions in the navigation. In historical data export, you will have clear information on tools borrowing and returning. In personalized configuration, you can customize the settings. Enable the email notification. The system will email you inventory alarm and normal errors regularly. All information is well in hand. Want to know more about CuteBee? Contact us right now.